Okay, so we got our air filter here, and this air filter is the same on the X19, the X20, and the X21, all the same type of air box. So on it, there should be 6 screws holding it on. Sorry, 8 screws. So we're gonna go ahead and take our 8 screws out. And these are the same as your fairing screws, same thread, same everything, they're just a little bit longer. And you'll see our battery in the background, it's charging. And most of our bikes come with a washable air filter, so you don't have to replace it, you just have to take it out and clean it. And I would do this seasonally, so if you ride like winter and summer, I would, at the start of winter, I would do this, and at the start of summer, I would do this. So now you see our air filter. And that's it, and it can be just cleaned. It doesn't need to be and you can clean this out with soap and water too, but if you clean this with soap and water, you let this dry out and make sure it is completely dry before you put it back in the bike. Or you can clean it with carb cleaner. It works really well for cleaning this out. Then if you want, I usually use gas on these filters, but yeah, you can clean this out with gas or carb cleaner. Check your seal on your air box here. It's got a rubber seal, goes all the way around. You want to make sure that's still in place. It's also on your lid here, there's another rubber seal, so you want to make sure that's all in good in place and in good shape. It's not cracked or broken. This one though is super clean. The air box is super clean. Like I said, this bike only has like 100 miles on it, so it doesn't have a ton of miles on it, but it's just been sitting for so long. So this box here, I'm actually going to take this and clean this, and I'll leave the filter out and out of the way for now. I want to clean it up, and then I will be right back. Okay, you'll notice they're nice and clean now. I just took them over to the actual kitchen sink here, and I just washed them out. So they're spotless inside and out. Hopefully our cleaner doesn't find out. He'll have a complete meltdown. But other than that, so our these are going to be ready to put back in. So I can go ahead now and flip this around. It's not wet on the inside, a little bit of wet on the outside. I don't care about that. And we can go ahead and put our filter back in. So our filter goes in like this. Make sure it snaps in all the way around. And then we can take our top piece and put it on. And then we can go ahead and put our screws in. Like I said, there's 8 screws. There we go. Like that. There we go. Now you just finish putting them in. now that I've got this done, I'm gonna give this a shot of WD-40 before I put it back on the bike. Okay, just like that. And there's our air filter all back together, but I want this to kind of be shiny and nice, so I will give it a shot of WD-40 and show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, so that we've cleaned out the air filter. That's how you clean the air filter on the, like I said, the X19, the X20, or the X21, all the same air box. So yeah, so that's how you clean out your air filter.